Ladies and gentlemen, this is Dr. P.S. Sagar. I'm an acupuncture and traditional medicine expert practicing from past 16 years in Second Life Nature Cure Hospital, Banjara Hills Road number 14. So today my topic is how to control headache or migraine headaches through acupressure. So today I'll teach you some best acupressure points which can give good relief in minor headaches to even migraine headaches. So first let me tell you why these headaches come. That might be due to your diet and lifestyle issues. If you are not eating on time, you might notice headaches. And some people will be suffering from too much headache. That might be even migraine headache, which would last around 1 to 3 days for some conditions. So that will give you a very severe headaches. I mean, it's beyond tolerable range. And let me clarify you that there is no treatment for migraine headache. Even you can't diagnose this condition properly in the market. So you'll be given ample number of steroids or painkillers, which is nowhere helping you but only giving you sense of relief. Majority of migraine headaches doesn't even give any kind of basic relief. So best treatment for migraine headaches, I can say you can go for acupuncture. Acupressure for acute headaches, I can say acupressure will give you instant relief. For migraine headache, I don't think it will last for a long time because it is a highly chronic condition. So better go for acupuncture treatment. In Second Life, we have cured hundreds of patients who are suffering from migraine headache from past 30 years. They have approached many renowned reputed hospitals, but there was no relief. So within 2-3 months we have completely cured their headache, and even more than 10 years it has occurred that they have not regained it, or they have noticed a small difference also. So I can clearly say that we have cured such conditions for many people. So today I'll teach you some basic pressure points for relieving headache. So first thing, you could take this left hand, this thumb index finger, the upper part of the thumb is completely reflex area of your head. So you can just apply some sketch pen so that you can clearly locate the area. So you can take a blunt object like pen. So if you are having frontal headache, so you have to locate the upper part. So you have to give pressure like this. If you are having occipital headache, the sides of your head, so you could give stimulation from sideways. So if you are having headache over this area, you have to give pressure in this area. If you are having headache in the frontal part, you have to stimulate this point. If you are having in the sides, you can even do this, right? So on the top of the head, little backward, but this area. So at least apply pressure for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. At least you can apply pressure and continue this pressure. So within 7 to 30 seconds, you will notice the headache will be coming down. Even for migraine headache, to some extent it will give relief, but common headaches, you could see immediate change, immediate relief. So even migraine headaches, it's very chronic, so they will only get relief for a few minutes to few hours. But in common headache, it will give you instant relief. You need not take any painkiller to relieve this headache. So can instantly, but you have to correct your diet and lifestyle, which is the actual cause. If you are not eating on time, you might get gastric trouble, which might create pressure in your head. That would give some tension headaches. So you have to correct your diet and lifestyle, and you have to continue this treatment if you are having on regular occasions. So I would advise, if you are having chronic headaches, you are not getting any relief, so you can visit our hospital. We are offering complete cure even in very chronic conditions. So there is a complete cure. You need not worry. You need not roam around hospitals because they clearly, any doctor will tell you that we do not have any kind of treatment. They'll just only drug you with painkillers, which is not at all a good option at all. That will give you more side effects. So I hope you understand these points which I have told you. You have to repeat this video 1 or 2 times to correctly locate that point, and give acupressure with this some kind of of blunt objects like pen or pencil, and you can even at the end of the area daily you can press this point. I mean, the web crease area is there. There is a pressure point called LI4, which is very good pain control point for the upper extremity like neck pain, like headache or facial pains. So regularly if you stimulate this point also, the headache would be cured. Mild headaches can be cured. So this is for giving good relief, and this is to, if you are stimulating it regularly, you can cure that headache. So you can stimulate it like this. So this is the point which you have to do. At least 2 to 3 minutes you can stimulate this point. Same way in the other hand also you are having this point, you can stimulate like this. This is called LI4. This point is extremely helpful in controlling pains in all upper extremities, neck pain or facial pain or headache. It's a very good point. So this will help you to cure the condition, and this will give you a painkiller effect. This will give you instant relief. So I hope this is a very useful video to everyone, because usually most of us get headaches due to our wrong diet or lifestyle or stressful lifestyle. So this would help for every family. So please share this video to all your near and dear, and I hope this video will help many of the migraine patients who might get complete cure also. Thank you. Your Dr. Sagar.